30-year-old Rania Hassan says it's not easy being a single mother in Egypt, but owning her own beauty parlor helps, says a divorced mother of two.
أنا دلوقتي حرة نفسي، أنا سيدة أعمال، سيدة القرار، سيدة نفسي، سيدة أولادي، محدش بيحكم فيا بصراحة، أنا اللي بحكم في نفسي
Owning a business is also helping 26-year-old Marwa Assam and her family to face economic difficulties. She says Egypt's revolution brought needed change to the country, but scared off the tourists her tour guide husband depended on for income.
احنا معانا 3 أطفال، فمن ساعة موضوع السياحة فما فيش طبعا دخل خالص. فطبعا لما فتحنا المحل طبعا الحمد لله في دخل، وده مشروع مستمر ومتجدد وكل الناس محتاجاه.
Marwa opened her business, a convenience store, in the city of Kinna with a bank loan of 100,000 Egyptian pounds, about 17,000 US dollars. And to start her beauty parlor in the city of Benha, Rania got a similar loan for about 4,500 US dollars. The loans are part of a World Bank-supported project encouraging more women to start micro and small enterprises in Egypt, where such businesses account for 40% of all employment. The project caters to women and youth and addresses Egypt's post-revolution demand to create jobs. Project loans range from 25,000 to 2 million Egyptian pounds, and many are going to women like Soha Nabi, who's using the money to expand her and her husband's cement warehouse in this village in southern Egypt. The business is providing the community with needed building materials, as well as desperately needed jobs.
طبعا كتير هنا استفادوا في القرية بتاعتنا وفي القرى المجاورة برضو. في العمال عندنا هنا كذا عامل 6 وأحيانا بيوصلوا ل10 في الموسم، وعندنا برضو سواقين برضو 3، وفي ناس كتير استفادت والحمد لله.
Since April 2011, about 3,000 small business loans have been dispersed across the country through banks and NGOs, which borrow the money from the Social Fund for Development, the apex institution for micro and small enterprise finance in Egypt. Under the project, loan recipients are helped to get their required business licenses and receive training in marketing skills. Marwa Ahmed Ali says such project assistance made it possible for her to start her own business importing cooking oil after years of importing it for someone else.
ففكرت رحت الصندوق الاجتماعي، هم ساعدوني في دراسة الجدوى وساعدوني كمان بأن هم رشحوا لي بنك معين، البنك ده الفايدة بتاعته بتبقى كويسة.
At a mall in suburban Cairo, Diana Fuad used her loan and business training to open this store selling clothes imported from Turkey.
أنا برضو حاسة إن أنا بعمل حاجة يعني مش مجرد إن أنا واحدة بتشتغل في حاجة، لا أنا ليه بيزنس خاص بيا بعمل بيه حاجة، فطبعا بيفرق يعني في شخصية أي واحدة يعني أكيد.
Diana says this store is only her first.